I couldn't read that word.
Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Welcome to 500 Flights in County.
To fly the property to discover where I could film the teardown from the best angle. I was told that the trees would come down after the house came down, so all of the trees on the site needed to be considered.
This could be the most important item that you carry out for every inspection.
Winter. And when trees do not have leaves, the flying became more challenging. It was better to be closer to the drone, and flying within 20 feet of the drone made it easier to control.
It's your proof that you have all the necessary paperwork to complete and fulfill the operation.
Property to understand that I couldn't fly it. Not only were there 3 large trees, but there were also wires from telephone poles across the front of the property. It was difficult to judge the distances safely.
A folder is a good place to keep copies of documents, emails, and signatures as evidence of your due diligence.
The left side of the house could be viewed from the air over the street, but it still had one large tree that
A compliance folder is a great thing to carry for every assignment.
outside of any danger of hitting a person or property. And flying above the trees would give a level of safety.
And may all your missions be safe, reliable, and repeatable.
It's time to get this project started. Welcome to 500 Flights.
My AMA membership card, my asset management logbook, my business license, business cards, certificate of authorization, contracts, a copy of my community-based guidelines for recreational flight, my crew management plan, driver's license, flight logbook, flight plan, which includes some flight emergency procedures and flight termination and lost link plans, insurance, NOTAMs, numbers of crew members for each assignment, my pre-shoot planning checklist, price list, registration of the drone, remote pilot certification, resume, risk mitigation plan, safety manual, signed contracts, training manuals, and waivers.